Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best pan for making sauces in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Lodge EC7D43 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Now we have come up with a bigger 7.5 QT pan. This enameled cast iron Dutch oven is undoubtedly a good choice for tomato sauce. It is made up of cast iron that features porcelain enamel. Porcelain enamel is durable, doesn't chip, and doesn't react with acidic food. And most importantly, Lodge cast iron cookware is proudly manufactured in the USA. The pan is best at retaining heat, which is an ideal aspect for making tomato sauce. Besides, it also heats up evenly. The pan is also compatible with the oven apart from cooktops. So, you can also roast, bake, broil, and braise besides cooking meals in it. This pan accompanies you throughout the cooking process. It is so multifunctional that you can perform several tasks in this. Marinate chicken wings in it and refrigerate them in the same pan. Once the marination completes, you can cook them in the same pan. Therefore, it's obvious that sautéing, simmering, and frying is possible with this amazing pan by the Lodge. Most importantly, you can also serve a meal in it because it's very elegant and stylish and looks great on the dining table. In short, the pan helps you from zero till the end. It cuts down the need for several utensils and works as a true workhorse. Not to forget that it is dishwasher safe. But it's better to wash with hands by using nylon pads and warm soapy water. Number 2. Our second best pick is Calphalon Classic Nonstick Dutch Oven with Cover, 5-quart heavy bottom pan. This is the 5QT classic pan with a lot of potential. Besides helping you in the kitchen, it also looks nice as the dining table serving dish. So, just roast meat in it, and you can serve it in the same pan. The unique construction of this pan is ideal for tomato sauce or other acidic foods. Unlike other best pans for acidic foods, it doesn't comprise stainless steel, but the heavy base guarantees the perfect recipe. The pan is made up of hard anodized aluminum with a double layer of nonstick at the interior. The internal non-stick layer releases dense sauces effortlessly. Also, the pan heats up quickly and evenly without developing hot spots. Moreover, the non-stick layer makes the pan super easy to clean. The handles of this pan don't resemble any of the above pans. They are useful in their own way and fit very nicely in the oven. Besides the oven, the pan is compatible with all kinds of cooktops. In short, this pan is durable and can stand daily usage. Make sure that you don't use a metal utensil with it so that you can enjoy the pan in the long run. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is AVACRAFT Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Saucepan. We bring a very compact yet spacious best multipurpose saucepan, which is also super ideal for acidic foods tomato sauce. This pan will make oatmeal for your breakfast, can boil pasta for a side dish, and also can enjoy soup at dinner. This multipurpose pan is made up of outstanding quality food-grade Tri-Ply stainless steel. The aluminum core is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel. The pan base won't develop hot spots but heats up evenly. The mirror finish on the exterior adds glitter to gold, and the interior features a matte finish. This matte finish shields the stainless steel against scratches that may reduce the lifespan of the utensil. Most importantly, this 3.5 QT saucepan includes very easy to read measurements on the inner side, which is an ideal feature to ace a batch of tomato sauce. It includes a silicone handle for a safe and tight grip. Being a strainer lid allows you to boil pasta so that you can easily strain the water out of it. Moreover, the pour spouts are there on both sides of the rim. Therefore, you can hold the pan either from the right or left side as per your ease. The pan's advantageous benefit is that you can use it on induction, gas, halogen, and electric stoves. Its handle is also safe to grip when you are preparing tomato sauce. Hence we can say AVACRAFT is the safest cookware for acidic foods. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.